People often ask me why I journal. What is the reason why I keep on coming back to blank pages that I desperately want to fill with my thoughts? Why do I feel such a need to decorate my books with tiny drawings or my writings? My answer is that I want to remember things. Perhaps you've kept a diary when you were still a little kid. I did that as well, but you know what happens when you start keeping a diary. You will write in it for a couple of nights, weeks maybe, and then you forget about it. Somehow the idea of a diary isn't as exciting as time goes by. Your stories seem like boring scripts of the everyday cycle you're going through. The stories are filled with people who you like and people who were rude to you in school. When I was young, I would make up stories about more interesting people with exciting lives, the ones you would watch doing crazy things in movies. There comes a time that you will realize that the difference between the lives of other people and yours is that you compare your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. And so, your life might not be as interesting as the lives of a pop star or an actress, but you can make your diary more interesting by not just writing your everyday stories into it. You can use paint, your fine liner for simple drawings, or you can simply put down your old receipts and travel cards. Everything is possible. There are so many ways to fill a journal with memories. Not only the good memories are worth remembering. Sometimes you experience something bad. In my case was that I took the opportunity to do my internship abroad. I lived in another country and I met a lot of great people. Unfortunately, the internship didn't work out. The company I worked at wasn't a good match with me at all. Sometimes people go behind your back or say cruel things to you that you do not deserve. Unfortunately, everyone goes through situations like that. I think there are different ways to get back on your feet again after something bad happened to you. One of those things is to journal. Grab a sheet of paper and let your thoughts flow. You can write, paint, or anything else you prefer doing. Just let the pages speak. I think journaling is a great way to take your bad experience and create something important, something worth remembering.